Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, The King of How To. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reupholster your bar stools or your dining room chairs. So we got these chairs for $10. We got a set of 4, but as you can see the cushions are quite ugly and old school, so we're going to change them out to a newer look. So we bought these slip-on covers that can go directly on over top of the cover, but they don't fit very well. They cover some of the wood and they don't cover the back very nicely. So I'm just going to pop this seat off and then we can put the cover on and we'll staple it on the back. Let's get started. There's going to be a few screws underneath that are holding this down, so you're going to have to take them out first. Once you have the screws off, you can see the cushion came off. Now we're going to put on the cover onto the chair. When we're putting it on, we're going to make sure that it lines up nice and easy with the front, so our line will be nice and straight when we staple this back. As well as we're going to make sure that when we stretch this out, we can get the coverage that we need all the way around. So look, it's going to be a nice tight fit. That's what we want to make sure that it's nice and smooth look overall. If your chair is lacking cushion and you want extra softness on your chair, you can also add a little bit of foam under the new cover or under the new fabric to give it a little bit of. Now we're going to move our piece onto the floor, so we can use a staple gun to attach the cushion cover to the bottom of the chair. I'm going to start back here. I'm going to pull it as tight as I can. I'm going to put my staple in. I'm going to do a few staples in the back, and I'm going to do the same thing to the front. We have to ensure when we're putting the cover on that we're pulling, so we're going to get a nice tight finish on it. Okay, so we can check our progress when we did that. Okay, everything seems to be good at the moment. So next we're going to do the front, so we get nice straight lines and smooth surface this way first, and then we'll worry about straightening out the sides. again, we're going to double check that everything is looking good. Okay, so next we're going to do our sides. Again, I'm going to start in the middle of my side when I am doing this. Okay, again, we're going to double check, making sure everything is still nice. And now we're going to do the opposite side, right across from the portion we did. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going just to fix these corners and staple them on the underside. The extra material here, I'm just going to pull it and then fold it so it's nice and tight, but you don't really have to worry about that because it's underneath. Okay, and there we have it, nicely reupholstered chair cushion. Next, we're going to attach it back to the chair and see how it all looks. Okay, my cushion is back on my chair, so all I have to do is just secure it. The cushion looks very nice. There's no markings on it or anything like that. So there we have it. Once we screw it back in, that's all we have to do. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment with future video ideas. Thanks.